1, 2, 3.
A bowler-hatted man near the mantelpiece greeted him as James entered his sitting room. I am Johnson, sir. Security officer and...
You have to read first part only. Start.
Datta, an amateur scientist, can't stay away from the keen-eyed Dibbe Chaksu for long. Dibbe helps him achieve his secret ambition.
Next.
Datta wife Indrani Devi wishes he had not found the object of his search. It was a moonless night in December. A burst of cool breeze from the window was enjoyed to disturb the sleep of Indrani Devi. Half awake, she felt for the adjoining pillow. Although she knew the answer, Datta was
Next.
not there.
Go further this side. Start.
So he has gone to hook up with that wretched Divya. At least he might have bothered to close the door. Even as she muttered her complaints, Indrani Devi could not repress her smile.
Next.
She knew how utterly oblivious her husband was of the practical problems of living. Did not his doctor tell him to take special precautions against the cold? But he would not remember to put on a sweater.
Next.
Even
Was lying
Come nearer, your group.
was lying on his bedside chair. How could he, when Dibya had put her spell on him? She picked up the white woolen pullover, wrapped herself in a shawl, and made her way to the roof to break the peace tea with Dibya. She found them both huddled together eye to eye. At least Datta was looking into Dibya's eye. When Datta
Next. Aditya. Go near, further.
When Datta acquired his telescope, he was so thrilled that he called it Dibya Chaksu. Divine-eyed to Indira Devi, the telescope was like a designing woman who had ensnared her husband. So she just called it Dibya and the name stuck. So Datta, the telescope, marked the fulfillment of the ambition of
Next.
a lifetime.
Aisha, bring your book down. Go nearer. Start.
As an amateur astronomer, he had longed for enough money to buy a good telescope and for enough spare time in which to observe the heavens. He got them both when he retired with ample money. The telescope was duly installed and long were the dark nights and that Datta spent in stargazing. At least Indrani Devi thought so. Here, put on this sweater, or do you want Nabi Babu to order
Okay, next.
bed rest tomorrow?
Like every other amateur astronomer, Datta had a secret ambition that he would one day discover a new comet. For comets can be new, coming as they do from the remote corners of the solar system. Like planets, comets also orbit around the sun.
Next, Basuraj.
But their orbits are highly longish that is lit brilliantly by the sunlight and then it recedes into darkness not to be
Next.
seen again. What chance did he stand with the eight-inch Dibya? Did not professional astronomers have gigantic telescopes? Datta was optimistic. He knows that he professional with their pre-assigned programs would be looking at faint stars and nebulous galaxies. They might miss such an insignificant thing as a comet which they were not expecting